Defense operations. Equipment protection isn't just logistics, it's mission critical. The KOR protection system is a reusable packing solution that uses vacuum rigidizing panels to mold around your gear and lock it in place for transport, helping protect against shifting, shock, and vibration. When loadouts change, KOR reconfigures fast. Just let air back in, and the system resets. KOR is designed to work inside cases and as a standalone system, delivering flexible protection across changing missions. Reusable, reliable, rugged. KOR. One system, infinite missions.